Hi everyone, this is Zara from Zarabakes. Today we'll be making cheese balls. These are great snacks for after school and Sunday afternoon football game appetizers. Let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients are 3 egg whites, a pinch of salt, 6 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 200 grams of cheese, and 100 grams of breadcrumbs. Heat the oil in a small but deep pan on a medium to high temperature. Whisk the egg whites and salt in a bowl until the egg whites turn into a stiff mixture. Add the baking powder and the flour. Finally, add the cheese and mix one more time. I use a small ice cream scooper for the cheese balls to be uniform. Dip in water, then into the cheese mixture to avoid cheese sticking to the scooper. Make the balls with the palms of your hands and line them up on a tray. Roll the balls in the breadcrumbs and put them back in the tray. Drop the cheese balls into the hot oil, but be careful if it splashes to your hands. I nearly splashed the operator with hot oil today. They fry really fast, so don't walk away from the pan. Remove them as soon as they turn golden in color and drain on a paper towel. Serve with your favorite sauce. I did with marinara sauce. I'm sure you will love this recipe as much as my family does. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.